Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Eugene, beloved and free. So today I want to talk about eye cream today, retinol eye cream. So you know retinol is a very powerful ingredient when it comes to anti-aging. So I'm using regular skincare retinol and I see good results from it. So I also want to use it on my eyes. And you don't want to put regular retinol on your eyelid. Your eyelid is very delicate, so you have to use a gentle retinol product. So I've been searching for a few products and I'm gonna introduce you these two products. Because I have oily skin, I don't know if that is related, but my under eyes tend to have milia so easily if I use oily eye cream or thick eye cream. But you all know you need thick cream or very moisturizing or even oily stuff when it comes to your eyes because your eyelids tend to dry more than your regular facial skin. But if I use those stuff, I get milia. So I decided to use the retinol eye cream. Not only this prevents your eyelids from losing moisture, but this one also helped get rid of my under eye milia. You know, milia, those little bumps like a pimple, but you can't really squeeze. So these milias were headache for me, but I got rid of it by using these retinol products. These products are also good if you want to use under your makeup. This one is, let me read description. Dr. Denise Grove's Skincare Ferulic Retinol Triple Correction Eye Cream. It corrects gently but powerfully reduce visible signs of aging on delicate skin of eyelid and around the eye while smoothing texture and tone. So it looks like it does a smooth texture. This smoothing serum diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, skin laxity around eye and on the eyelid. Results are visible within 3 minutes. No, you cannot see results after 3 minutes, so that's not true. The innovative formula contains retinol to improve surface level imperfections such as creepiness, uneven texture, laxity, while ferulic acid diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. After I try a few more months, I'm gonna come back with the results regarding lines and wrinkles. The effective and dynamic combination of these powerful ingredients transforms the tone, texture, and appearance of aging skin for smoother, more youthful eyes. It looks like my eyes is more brightened. It looks like my under eyes are more moisturized. On those parts, smoother and brightening and youthful. Those better texture looks like it is true after 1 month of using. So I'm hoping to see my small lines, little lines around my eyes to get disappear, but we'll see after a few months. And next one I'm gonna talk about is another retinol eye cream. Both of them are for day and night. So this one is a glow recipe. Avocado melt retinol eye sleeping mask. Even though it says sleeping mask, I use this during daytime. This texture seems like does good when it comes to prime your under eyes before putting makeup. So I use this daytime, the other one nighttime. Let me read you about the description of a glow recipe avocado melt retinol eye sleeping mask. A best-selling eye sleeping mask formulated with avocado, encapsulated retinol and coffee berry to brighten, depuff, and treat the appearance of dark circles. I don't know about dark circles yet, but I do see it does depuff, kind of, and it does brighten up. So I see retinol is working in this cream. So both of them are pretty good so far. It's normal to combination to oily, so all skin types. So especially nighttime, after I apply this retinol eye cream, I also apply this oil. This is eye roller, but this is oil made of cactus fruit. I don't know if it's from seed or fruit itself. It's from the cactus fruit. This is very moisturizing It's more close to serum kind of feeling instead of oily, but it is oil, but it's very light oil. So I recommend this to oily skin. Although it's for really good for oily skin, sensitive skin, dry skin can also use this and benefit from it. This is the only oil that has never created milia under my eyes. It never clogs my pores because this company also makes regular facial oil which does not clog your pores, and this only moisturizes. So I do apply 2 to 3 drops mixed with my lotion when it comes to my face. Facial lotion and few drops of this oil will moisturize your skin without clog your pores. This one has a lot of vitamin C and a lot of other good ingredients that's gonna effectively keep usefulness of your skin. And this protects from your skin to lose moisture. So it's going to cover or protect moisture from your skin. So this roller is especially formulated for your under eyes. So after eye lotion or eye cream, if you put under eyes or on top of your eyelid, it's going to prevent your eyelid from losing moisture. So it's going to keep your eyes moisturized. Moisturizing means less wrinkle. So I'm going to put link where to buy under the description box. And there's another one that I found, a retinol eye cream, and this is more like a stick. I bought this just because this one had a lot of a good review. I don't really like the stick because when you apply under eyes or on top of your eyelid, it kind of stretches my delicate eye skin because you have to put pressure because it's not so because it's kind of a hard, it's not really soft. You have to, in order to apply it, you have to put pressure with it, and I don't like to press my under eye because it's gonna create wrinkles. So this one is out. So after a few months, I'm gonna come back with a more detailed result, and this is it for today. I hope you enjoy today's contents, and I hope you have great, joyful, wonderful weekends. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you next week. Bye.